Welcome back. For those looking to sell their home, or maybe you're one of those who just simply want to upgrade or repair the home you plan on staying in for years. Well, one thing we all want is curb appeal. Legacy Roofing does much more than just roofs. I took a trip to Holland to one of their jobs to speak with Legacy's owner, Jeremy, to learn more. Lately, there's been a lot of home improvement happening around West Michigan, and one of the places many call Legacy Roofing. And we're here with Jeremy and his family members because it is a family-owned business. Jeremy, welcome back. It's been a couple years.
Yeah, it's been a while, so it's nice to see you again.
Yeah, so the last time we spoke a couple years ago in studio, how have things changed since then? How's the business grown?
Well, we got off to a rockin' sockin' start, in the first year. Fortunately, we had COVID hit, so things did slow down a little bit last year, but now we're reaching out to communities to kickstart some more business this year.
Have you seen an uptick in business?
Yeah, it's been really amazing to see, with the prices of houses being so expensive, people are really just, staying where they're at and improving their homes.
So, don't move, improve. What can we improve? You mentioned them. We got the siding, the doors, windows, the decks. Let's start with the roof. Let's start from the top down. Talk about the jobs you do and what you offer.
Well, the roofing that we're doing a lot of GAF Systems Plus warranties right now, which is a 50-year non-prorated labor material warranty that is one-time transferable. So if you are thinking about selling your house, a lot of people are buying the roof system from GAF that is transferable to the new homeowner up to 25 years. And then, of course, siding is, number 3 return on investment, so it's all your curb appeal. The windows have actually picked up 30% as well.
Well, sticking with the roof, what's the trend right now? Well, what does everybody want?
Well, everybody wants warranty. With our roof system, even if you get the unlikely bad batch of shingles, the GAF would pay for your whole roof to be torn off and put back on at no expense to you, which is a great peace of mind because we know products aren't getting any cheaper and labor isn't getting any cheaper.
And when it comes to that curb appeal you mentioned, Jeremy, the siding, just the house behind us right now, is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, and obviously you did this job.
Yes, yes.
So thanks for the great work that you've done. It looks like wood. Talk about this.
This is our double floor siding with many features on it. As you can see, you got some board and batten above the garage here. We also have the cedar shake up in the peaks there. Some custom post straps on this project that are made out of PVC, as well as the band board and the window wraps are also PVC.
Yeah, it's amazing. It looks like wood. It's never going to have to be painted. I love that. I mean, that's a good looking home right there.
Nobody doesn't mind the word maintenance free.
Yeah, big time.
Right.
And then when it comes to, say, doors and windows.
When you start talking doors and window, you're also talking energy efficiency. Foam insulated frames and sashes. Energy Star qualified glass is our glass comes standard at a 0.026, where many window companies charge you more money for that. Ours is standard.
So you get those great upgrades for others standard with Legacy Roofing, right?
That is correct.
And you mentioned also decks. Talk about that.
We are selling a lot of our composite decking. We sell a lot of the Armadillo decking, which is a fantastic composite decking with lifetime warranty and a very high rating as far as scratch resistant and fade resistance. So we're seeing an uptick in the decking and the composite as well as compared to doing the wood, because wood is almost getting to the price of composite these days.
Yeah, it's amazing how high wood prices have gone. Now let's talk to who you are. We know what you do, but who you are as a business. We mentioned your family members sitting next to you. Talk about how this is 4 generations deep.
Yeah, my grandfather was a builder, my dad was a builder, my Uncle Joe was a builder. I mean, me and my son and my cousin Mike, it's been a real blessing, and that's why we named it Legacy, because it's one generation to a next, and we're trying to keep it, a local business that is going to give you the quality and service and excellence you're looking for.
For months and months, we've talked about how you can support local, right? And the focus has been a lot on those restaurants and those takeouts. Well, it holds true for your home improvement as well. Locally owned family businesses waiting to help you, like Legacy Roofing. From the roof to the shingles, to the siding, to the windows, to the front door, and even those decks and other improvements. You guys do it all.
Yeah, you know, we do kitchens and bathrooms as well. You know, that seems to be more of a want than a need, but you know, the roofing, siding, windows have always been our bread and butter, and we do enjoy our kitchen and bathroom remodels as well.
Well, if you're looking to take care of your home sweet home and make it even a little bit sweeter, give Legacy Roofing a call. I know I will be. My shingles are at least 15 years old on the house. So it's about that time for us too. Legacy Roofing and Restorations. You can find them at legacyroofinggr.com or just give them a call at 616-414-0054.